In any country genre film, your audience is expecting the protagonist to make glib remarks before and after dispatching
"Get out of Dodge"
the villain. In this movie, I wanted to replace the simplistic dialogue of the average
"Get out of Dodge"
popcorn matinee with a paradigm of rugged nuance,
"Get out of Dodge,"
congealed with a subtle and pithy commentary on life in 19th century old Mexico. I guess what I'm trying to say is I would summarize this in 3 words: intelligent,
"Get out of Dodge,"
provocative,
"Get out of Dodge,"
thought-provoking.
"Get out of Dodge."
In editing, we noticed that the catering table can be seen in the background there. We ordered several maple bars and bear claws, thinking that they would, of course, go quickly and be popular with the cast. There was some infighting over the maple bars, although there was another group of folks that were really hoarding buttermilk cake donuts. We really had a hard time cutting this one. I love the shaky cam look throughout the feel to it, but as they're underwriting the Roth IRA, the camera is not, it's almost overdone. Our costuming department kind of dropped the ball on this one. As a director, I was going for more rural Utah territory. This jacket clearly suggests more 1850s Midwest feng shui. You know, ever since I was a child, I've had a love affair with firearms. The Colt 45, you can see right there, the Winchester Peacekeeper. You can see here Smith & Wesson 30-30. You know, this gun used right here. That is an actual replica of a gun that Jesse James used as a cudgel in a bar fight. Through an unlikely and unfortunate chain of events, we had to have our actors emulate slow motion. As you can see, this is supposed to be the opening title sequence, but we ran out of film. So our thought was that if we kind of cut back and forth and loop this, we could have them continue to walk. And overall, I think we're getting some mixed results here. Well, in this, okay, well, here's the thing. You know, when I was a kid, we used to play Cowboys and Indians, and I would always wear this headdress that my great uncle gave me. You know, actually, he was 1/4 Cherokee, and we used to have this thing that we would do. I would come up and I would say, "How Kimosabi," and it was that's a fun memory. Now, for the end of the film, in my mind's eye, I had something pictured that was pretty risky. I wanted to take a chance, because all the great directors have taken chances. Coppola took chances. Kubrick took chances. And I wanted to culminate this picture into a risky, chancy, gritty ending, and the ending turned out perfect. Unfortunately, the producer of the film disagreed with me, and we had to reshoot. He felt the ending should be more bold. What's more bold than a Gatorade dump?